Damn it!
You hate yourself.
Fuck.
Your mom.
You guys are
Jeff's
retarded.
mom.
Yeah, Jeff's mom.
How fuck Jeff's mom?
She's gonna get this on camera and they're gonna watch it and be like, no, fuck Jeff's mom.
Well, we don't know who Jeff is. I don't even know who Jeff is.
Jeff's got a hot mom, that's all you need to know.
Like, what does she look like? Does she look like Chris's mom?
Who's Chris? Romanian Chris or Chris?
That one.
Uh-oh.
I
know which Chris you're talking about.
You told me your mom was a tweaker though. That
Your
she
mom
tweets
hot?
out.
Should tell his mom was hot.
What? You told me like last year that your mom tweets out and
Evan Schlitowitz.
Shitwitz.
Stop.
Demo? Yeah.